Hell yeah.
Yo, one quick second. If you're seeing this video right now, that means we hit 5,000 subscribers, which means it's giveaway time, right? So, first off, thank you. What is all that? The one problem with wearing black shirts, because you get stuff all over you, all right? First off, thank you to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. Even if after the giveaway you unsubscribe, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for checking out my videos. If you're just stopping by on this video, there is still time for you to subscribe and enter the giveaway. All right. Thank you all. Again, if y'all know, this whole YouTube thing was not a planned thing. It's kind of something that I just hopped up one day, thanks to my beautiful children and my older brother, and just gave it a shot, right? Here we are, 5,000 subscribers later, and hopefully maybe 10,000 before the year out, right? And at 10,000, boom. But we're focusing on 5 right now, all right? So if you haven't watched the video of what's in the giveaway fully, go back real quick before you even get to the point of how to enter. Go back real quick and watch the video and then come back, right? But I will show you a couple of the things, and then boom, you got the saber. And then boom, you have the X Evo. And then boom, you have the absolute shaver from Stylecraft with the slick foils, which makes these shavers so much better, right? There's a lot more in this giveaway, but we don't have to spend the time. We're not trying to make it a long video telling you what else is in the giveaway. Go back to the video, see what else is in the giveaway, but you get these 3 items. Go back to the other video. It's the title is 45,000 subscribers, 4,500 subscribers, and that'll tell you everything that's in the giveaway, right? But the main thing that we're here now for is how to enter the giveaway. It's only a couple of steps. It won't take you long. And I'm sorry to say as well, this giveaway will only be US based, but we have so much more coming. We have so many other giveaways coming. All right. So if you're not able to enter this one, or if you don't win this one, I promise you we have more to come. Okay. But this is how you enter the giveaway. First, make sure you're subscribed, right? And if you're not subscribed, I'll give you a second to go subscribe. Good? Cool. After you have subscribed, if you've done my other giveaways before, you know you know how to enter pretty much. You just don't know the caption, right? If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Once you subscribe, right, I want you to screenshot this part of the video to show me you're subscribed, because when you screenshot it, it's going to show down there that you are subscribed, right? You got it? Then I want you to take that screenshot and send it over to my DM in my messages, right? DM me on Instagram at Cuts by Reggie, right? Go on. And this is the caption that you're going to send when you send it over. You're going to screenshot this part right here, and it's going to say Chum Bucket. That's it. That's it. Right? And then you're entered into the giveaway. I know. Crazy, right? It's so many steps to do. So screenshot this part where it says Chum Bucket. And at the bottom, it's going to show that you are subscribed to Cuts by Reggie channel. Go to my Instagram at Cuts by Reggie. Put that in the DMs. Screenshot with the caption, Chum Bucket. That's my favorite character on SpongeBob. If you was Plankton, that guy, you hear me? He was taking over. He was about to take over. He just can't get the formula. And we're all just working on getting a formula. That's it. The formula to win. Chum bucket. Boom. All right. Gone. Well, you guys subscribe first and then screenshot it and then go. Thank y'all for getting me to 5,000 subscribers. This has been a fun ride so far. Good God almighty. This has been a fun ride so far. It's gotten me linked up with different people. It's been fun. And we're just going to hope we can keep it going. Keep it moving. Keep it pushing. All right? So, yeah. And so from the day, I don't know when I'm hitting 5,000 subscribers. I'm making this before I hit it to save it and then when it comes. But from the day I post this video, 2 Mondays later is when I'll do the live drawing on YouTube. All right. So I'll let y'all know though for sure. Matter of fact, when I hit 5,000, I'll know. So I'll put the date down in the description. If you see in this video, the date, the time, and everything is down in the description when I will be live on YouTube for the giveaway. All right. If you like the videos, like the videos. If you dislike the videos, dislike the video. There's a thumbs down button, comment, share, all the good stuff. Thank you for 5,000. Let's hit 10,000 before the year out. We're going to do it again. All right. Peace.